What are you doing?
Getting ready.
For what?
The race.
With what?
We'll build one more. So you see, I got my StarQuest shirt on today. So today means we're working on this, my '89 Conquest. So last video, was it the last video? It was the last video. When I changed the cable and Johnny Cash over there, Randall worked on the loom. So today we're gonna route it through the car and get it to its final resting place, and then we'll see what we can do from there. I still need to get everything for this, like the coils, and still don't know if I'm going with the crank trigger or if I'm doing the Mighty Max distributor. I guess I kind of really need to decide that to move further with this project, right?
Yeah.
It's probably a must.
That's a big piece of it.
Yeah. But, you know, now that I got that money pit over there, that's my daily, so it's like I gotta get a new clutch for that because throw-up bearing's shot. And, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, we're gonna route this fine looking wire loom through the car and go from there. Alright, so my plan is to keep the ECU in the stock location, the new standalone, and put it over here and route the wire, you know, back there, up over the tunnel, and through the rubber grommet on the driver's side, because everything's going to be on that side of the motor, so we're going to try that. But, you know, with our luck, probably won't work, but we'll see. Enough. I can get it from all angles, depending where the plug lands. Alright, we're done with today. Right. Now we gotta get it through the firewall.
Then we'll be done for the day. Now I gotta get this one.
Well, we can clip that connector off, make it life a little easier, right? Huh?
Yeah.
Huh? Huh?
Barley.
Alright, so we got the wires pulled through the firewall. And now the Conquest is even more of a disaster than when we started today. So I decided to pull out my Innovate wideband controller and all that good stuff, and all the wiring that went along with it. The water temp gauge, not going to need that because it's on this guy here. So yeah, we pulled out all the unnecessary all the unnecessary wiring. Can I help you? You want everyone to see your leaves? So yeah, now that we got that.
I want everybody to see my leaves.
Okay. All right, so now that we got that all pulled through, we can start laying it out to where it goes, which is just going to be like this here. I don't know what I'm going to do yet as far as sensors either, because I need to get a map sensor. No, it's got a built-in map sensor, right? Need to get an IAT.
Yeah.
I don't know if I need to use the ISC.
I don't know if it'll work with it.
What? You don't know if the stock will work with the
Standalone.
panel.
I don't know anything about the.
Well, take that book
Mitsubishi
home there,
Lancer.
wherever it is, and read up on it. But yeah, everything's going to be right here, basically. So we don't need all this wire. Because I got the injectors,
We can
the
cut it back.
TPS, and the ISCs right there. Temperature sensors right there. Distributors right there. But I don't know if I'm going to... what I'm going to use yet as far. Let me know what you guys think. Should I use a crank trigger with the coil on plugs, like I'm going to do LS coils, or Mighty Max distributor? Let me know what you think. I'm open to your suggestions, as always. Yeah, everything's going to be right there. The only other wire that's going to run over there is O2 sensor, fans right there.
Yeah. We'll have to set a relay for that.
Yeah, I don't want to use that controller anymore.
And the fuel pump.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to. I don't know. Are you gonna run a new wire all the way back to the fuel pump? Or are you gonna tap into the old wire?
I don't know. What do you suggest?
Run a new wire?
Okay.
30-year-old.
Well, that's what we'll do.
We'll have to put a relay for that.
Yeah, I guess so, because
Confused.
the point of this is, you know, getting rid of the old wiring. Well, we're one step closer to getting the standalone done on the Conquest. The wire loom is ran, or the wiring harness is ran. I got the rest of the, well, as I can see right now, I got the rest of the unnecessary stuff out of there. So yeah, now it's time to really start diving in and figuring out what I'm going to be using as far as sensors and coils. Well, I know I'm going to use LS coils. But as far as like what kind of sensors and if I'm going to use distributor or the crank trigger. As it stands, might be the distributor just because it's probably going to be a lot easier to find because that Mookie, MK1, Mookie, I think it is, he doesn't ever have them anymore. So yeah, might be an easier route. Just go to Junkyard and find a Mighty Max distributor and slap it in. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up for today. Another quick update video. If you want to help further along this process and help us do other stuff, you can go to sandrmotoring.com, pick up a shirt or something like that, sticker, anything. It helps us out. All the proceeds go back into the channel, and it helps us bring you our highest level of content.
Top tier.
Yeah. Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up. You got anything to say?
Happy.
Oh yeah, happy Labor Day.
Yeah, happy Labor Day. Happy Mustang Week.
Oh yeah, Mustang Week starts tomorrow.
How's it feel? Are you Are you amped
can-
up
I
for
can
your first
feel-
Mustang week that you can be part of?
I can feel the back of my head, the hair growing as we speak. Like tomorrow, it's gonna be full on mullet. It's just gonna happen.
So it's like the radio and the Mustang only play like Leonard Skinner and
Molly Hatchet, yeah. Yeah, so it's Mustang week coming up. It starts tomorrow. So maybe we'll make it out to a few meets. See what's going on with the old Stang Club. Oh. Did this happen?
Yeah, that happened.
Yeah, so maybe we'll because last year we took the Conquest to the one of the big meets at night, and everybody gave me weird looks.
I almost got ran over.
Yeah.
Eaten by a Mustang.
But anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for today. So we'll see you next time.
Bye, folks.
See ya.